on your shawl.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want me to post those letters for you?
No, I'm going to post them. I will go for a walk, and I'll take them myself. Thank you, though.
I've been looking at the sky, and I know it's been overcast for the last week, but it really looks like it's going to rain. I just feel it.
Oh, it'll be fine. It's not going to rain. I'll be fine. I need to get out of the house. I've been cooped up for days, and I want some exercise.
Whatever you wish. I wish you a good walk.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine.
Let's get you ready for the day. You have an afternoon full of meetings, don't you? Your husband's coworkers.
Oh, sorry.
Are you well? I don't mean to be rude, but you don't look well. I don't mean to be rude.
I don't feel so well. I'm just...
It was that walk, isn't it? Ma'am, it was that walk.
Maybe. Perhaps.
The rain. Well, I do not recommend that you exert yourself today. Again, I don't mean to be rude, but you are very flushed and your eyes look a little darkened.
I think if I have a little bit of tea, maybe, that would help.
Okay, ma'am, have a seat. I'll prepare you some tea. I'll be back soon. I'll try to hurry for you.
Thank you.
I hope this helps. I put some lemon in it as well.
Thank you.
From St. Louis.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, no. Ma'am, you need to go to the bed. You're going downhill very quickly. Please, I'll take that for you. I hope you haven't caught the yellow fever that's been going around.
Oh, I hope so.
The neighbor's sister's niece's nephew caught yellow fever.
Oh.
And I hear it's not going very well for her. Well, thankfully I do know some remedies. I have a remedy book, in fact, in my collection in my room.
Well, I may need that.
May, do I have permission to buy some oranges? I know the price is quite steep.
Go to the apothecary. He probably has a better selection or better type of orange. But don't buy just one. Buy at least 2. We don't want him to think we're not without means.
Yes, there are some rumors going about. I will go ahead and head over, and I swear I'll run the whole way. I'll be back quick.
But you don't have to run, Justine. I'm not dying. I just feel like it.
I wish that I was sick. I made you a cough syrup of lemon and honey. The apothecary was out of the tincture of opium.
Oh, I'm sure these will be fine.
And also, I read in a book, it's a bit of an old remedy, but I heard from a friend that it is reliable. Orange peels up the nose.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure about that one.
I think it will clear your nostrils out.
Or plug them. Thank you.
Do you protest me putting these pills in your nose? I swear I've heard that this is an excellent remedy. It'll clear your nose out, and then you can blow your nose and it'll all drain out successfully.
I'm not convinced, Justine, that it's not going to cause more problems, but if you feel it'll work, I'll give anything a try.
I'll try to roll them as thin as I possibly can. It has to be peel out so that the oils can go into your nose and clear your airways.
And where did you hear of this remedy, Justine?
A book, of course, a book.
You're always reading.
I will admit the recipe and the formulation is from the 1740s, but I'm sure it's still relevant today. It's simple enough to be.
Did this book say how well this works?
It simply says that it works.
Just put it in my
Right,
nose.
right. Try to have a little bit sticking out so that we may easily pull it out if
I
we
don't
need
think
to.
it'll be hard to do that. Oh, a piece of it came off. Oh, that's rather unpleasant. Oh, Justina, I don't think I could do this. Oh no, I'm not. Oh, that I just can't do that. Oh. Oh. I appreciate your effort, but oh.
It's okay. I'll just give you extra cough syrup.
Oh, I'm beginning to think whatever you're doing to me is only going to make me worse.
I'm really trying my best.
I know you are.
I don't get sick often, so I'm not sure what to do. And I did also read in a book, again, I'm sorry, a book, that the ill are not supposed to eat solid foods because it stresses their bodies out. A diet of milk and honey is suitable for you until you are better.
I don't know if I could eat solid food at this point.
I'll go fetch some milk for you. I haven't had oranges in years.
I haven't had any either.
Well, I'm sorry to hear about that. Oranges are only for people who aren't sick, I'm afraid.
I suppose you read that in another book.
Yes. It has too strong of a flavor. Citrus flavors, too strong. But they are great for putting up your nose.
I beg to differ on that. You're very cruel, Justine, for eating that in front of me.
I'm just watching over you.
And I appreciate it. I think you could make an exception. I'm sure Dr. Todd would.
No, yellow fever is too risky. We can't risk it. I can't lose you, I'm afraid.
I don't think I have yellow fever. I just have a cold.
I'm not sure. There have been a lot of mosquitoes around here as of late. This is really good. Oh my goodness. And this came on a ship across, what, hundreds of miles? Tastes so fresh though.
Justine, please stop. You're making my stomach growl.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll go eat them in my room.
Oh, what that girl makes me do. Oh, Justine, I think I need the chamber pot.
Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
Oh, I think it's passed. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I think you should have some more of your syrup.
As long as I don't have to put any more of that citrus up my nose.
Well, how's your nose doing? Has it cleared?
Surprisingly, yes.
I told you it would work. I know a thing or two.
I'm starting to feel better. I'm really starting to get my appetite back.
It was the oranges in the nose. That's why you feel better.
You and your oranges in the nose. Perhaps you could fix me something for breakfast?
Milk?
Something more than just milk and honey. I think I can handle some solid food at this point.
I did read in the book that those that are sick, they can only eat bland foods, but oatmeal with a little bit of butter is tolerated.
At this point, I'll take anything you're willing to give me.
I'll be right on that then. One moment. I'll put extra butter in it so it's a little more flavorful.
Just no orange peel.
Oatmeal with extra butter. Be careful, it's very wet.
Thank you. How did you prepare this, Justine? This is really bland.
I cooked it with water. The book that I referred to said not to cook it with milk because it's too many flavors at once for you. You can have milk only by itself, not mixed with oats.
Justine, can you fetch my dressing gown from the closet?
Oh, are you feeling better? Are you okay to stand?
I think so.
Okay. See, my remedies are helping you already. You're able to stand. It's only the end of the second day. I've only been sick once in my life, and I was sick for a full 2 weeks, a fortnight.
were you ill with?
I'm not sure. Probably something from a mosquito. Which dress would you like to wear today?
I think my striped dress.
Okay, I will go fetch it.
What time is it?
It's near supper.
Oh, what are you going to prepare?
Well, I wasn't expecting you to recover so quickly, so I haven't made anything yet. What would you desire?
Do we have any beef?
We do.
How about steak and asparagus, since asparagus would be in season now?
It is.
That would be lovely. Maybe with some potatoes. Do we have any potatoes left in the cellar?
We do have some potatoes.
I think that would be nice.
Oh, that's quite a lot. I'll have to hurry up and start that right away then. I'm glad you're feeling better.
Well, I am quite hungry.